train your mouth to speak English fluently. Welcome to English Online Practice. Today's not just another English video. It's your breakthrough moment. Because after this, you won't just learn English, you'll feel it. You'll understand how to make your mouth, your voice, and your confidence work together like never before. By the end, you'll look in the mirror and say, "Yes, now I can speak. My voice finally sounds alive." So stay till the end. This might be the turning point in your English journey. Let's begin. The hidden reason you can't speak fluently. Let's start with something honest. You've watched dozens of videos, studied grammar, memorized vocabulary. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Your lips freeze. Your voice disappears. Why? Not because you're bad at English, not because you lack intelligence, but because your mouth has never been trained to move like an English speaker's. You've been training your brain, not your mouth. You're learning passively, but you're not speaking actively. English isn't just mental, it's physical. It's in your lips, your tongue, your jaw, your sound flow. Until you train those, you'll always feel like something's missing. Today, that ends, because this is your mouth workout. Part 2. The 5-minute daily mouth training routine. Let's be real. You don't need 3 hours a day. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need 5 focused minutes. 5 minutes that reprogram your mouth for fluency. Here's how your daily English mouth gym works. Step 1. Mouth warm-up. 1 minute. Just like athletes stretch before training, your mouth needs to wake up before speaking English. A. Lip buzz. Gently vibrate your lips like a motor sound, 3 times, 5 seconds each. B. Tongue stretch. Push your tongue out and back 10 times, slowly. C. Jaw loosen. Open and close your mouth gently 5 times. D. Smile stretch. Smile wide for 5 seconds. Relax. Repeat twice. Why this works? It relaxes stiffness, activates speaking muscles, and makes your speech flow naturally. Remember, a warm mouth is a confident mouth. Step 2. Mirror speaking. 1 minute. Your mirror is your best speaking coach. Stand in front of it. Look at yourself. Say this sentence: "I am learning to speak confidently." Or, "This is my voice. I own it." Say it 5 times. Start slowly. Then go faster each time. Watch how your lips move. Make eye contact with yourself. Why it works? You build awareness. You face your fear. You learn to control your sound and presence. Confidence begins when you stop hiding from your own reflection. Step 3. Shadow speaking. 2 minutes. Now fluency training begins. Find a short clip, maybe a line from a movie, a YouTuber, or a TED Talk. Play 1 sentence, then repeat instantly, matching the rhythm, tone, and feeling. Not slower, not your version. Exactly as you hear it. Example: you hear, "I don't think that's a good idea." You say it right after, "I don't think that's a good idea." Do it again and again. That's how you build muscle memory and natural flow. Why it works? It trains your ears, your mouth, and your brain to work together like a team. Step 4. Fluency loop. 1 minute. Choose one sentence. Example, I'm going to improve my English. Say it slowly. I'm going to improve my English. Now normally, I'm going to improve my English. Now fast, I'm going to improve my English. Repeat that loop 3 times. Why it works? You stop overthinking and start speaking with flow. Total time, 5 minutes. Total result, a transformed voice and unstoppable confidence. Most people skip this. They chase grammar rules, but never train their mouth. You won't make that mistake again. Part 3. Sound clusters and speech flow. Here's a big secret. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They speak in clusters, groups of sounds that flow together like music. Example, I am going to the market. I'm going to the market. Say, what are you doing? What you doing? Did you eat? Did you eat? I don't know. I don't know. That's rhythm. That's flow. That's fluency. Stop thinking about each word. Start thinking in sound units. Because English is rhythm, not grammar. Daily practice. 1. Pick 3 clusters. Wanna go now? Let me know. Gotta run. Repeat them like short songs or rap lines, 10 times each. Create sentences with them. I gotta go now. See you later. 4. Record yourself. Listen back. After a few days, your speech will sound smoother, more alive, and more natural. Part 4. Train your brain and mouth together. Your mouth can't speak what your brain doesn't believe. If your mind says, I'll sound stupid, your voice will break. So let's fix your inner voice. Step 1. Speak with emotion. Don't say, I'm happy to be here. Say, I'm so happy to be here. Feel it. Mean it. People remember energy, not grammar. Step 2. Act the line. Be an actor. Say, I can't believe this. Try it sad. Try it excited. Try it surprised. When you act, you lose fear and find freedom. Step 3. Build instant reactions. Stop translating from your language. Train your brain to think in English. When you hear, let's catch up, don't translate. Just feel it means, let's meet soon. Tip. Make flashcards with meanings, not translations. You're not memorizing, you're rewiring. Step 4. Speak with movement. Use your hands, your body, your energy. Move while speaking. Confidence lives in your posture. Step 5. 5-minute brain plus mouth routine. 1 minute, say 3 lines with emotion. 1 minute, act them out. 1 minute, walk and speak. 1 minute, mirror speak. 1 minute, record and listen. You're not learning to talk, you're learning to express. Part 5. Smart repetition equals real fluency. Repetition doesn't mean saying the same thing flatly. It means improving every time. Here's your 5-stage system. 1. Slow clarity. Pronounce carefully. I don't know what to say. 2. Flow. Connect the sounds. I don't know what to say. 3. Emotion. Say it sad, angry, happy. 4. Speed. Faster but clear. 5. Real context. Use it in life. That was awkward. I don't know what to say. Do this with 1 sentence daily. Repeat smart, not mindlessly. Sample sentences. I'm proud of how far I've come. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm not scared to speak anymore. Repetition is not memory. It's transformation. Part 6. The final truth. Let's be honest. You already know what to do. You just don't do it. You don't need more lessons. You need more training. Because understanding English is easy. Speaking it takes courage, consistency, and repetition. You can keep watching silently, or you can stand up, look in the mirror, and say, I will speak. I will train. I will not be silent. Your voice is waiting. Your fluency starts today. Because fluency isn't a gift, it's a decision. A daily choice to show up, to speak, to try again, even when it's awkward, even when no one's watching. That's how fluent people are made. One day, someone will hear you speak and say, "Wow, you sound amazing." And you'll smile because you'll know the truth. You earned it. If this video inspired you, hit subscribe, share it with a friend who's still silent, and comment below, I will train my mouth every day, no matter what. Because the most fluent speakers aren't the perfect ones. They're the ones who refuse to stay silent. This is English Online Practice, where your English becomes your voice. Let's speak.